Good morning, my students. This is Mrs. Chimobi, your agricultural science teacher. Hope you are all staying safe at home. Welcome to Geogracia's online teaching. The topic we have today in our agricultural science subject is agricultural pests. A pest is an organism which causes damage to crops. Insect pests are those insects that cause physical damage to crops. Insects belong to the group Arthropoda. Classification of pests based on mouth parts. We have three main classifications. The first one, biting and chewing insect pests. The second one, piercing and sucking insect pests. And the third one, boring insect pests. So let's look at the first one, biting and chewing insect pests. These pests are specially adapted to biting and chewing of various plant parts. The mouth are made up of two hard jaws. They also have two other jaws, maxillae. They have two lips. The first one, flat up lip, which is called labrum. Then the second one, the low lip, which is called labium. The maxillae are used to push the crop parts into the mouth. Examples of these insect pests are locusts, butterflies, termites, caterpillars, grasshoppers, etc. The second classification is piercing and sucking insect pests. The mouth parts of these insects are shaped like injection needles. The type of injection, when you are sick, you go to the hospital, you notice that they will bring an injection. That needles, the tiny one, the mouth part of these piercing and sucking insects are like that. They pierce into the plant part and suck the plant fluid. And after that, the plant dies. Examples of these insect pests are aphids, cotton stainer, mealybugs, capsicum bugs, and scaly insects. I believe I am communicating. All right. Number 3, boring insect pests. These are insect pests that bore into plant tissues and seeds. Let me give you an example. Your yam, if you buy yam in the market and you want to cook this yam, when you cut it, you will discover there is this mud coming out. It's the sellers that put it there in order to cover the holes bored by this insect. And your beans, when you leave your beans for some time, you notice that some holes is being bored into those beans. It is caused by this insect. And when you put the beans, it floats because the insect has eaten the main part of that seeds. Examples of these pests are weevils, stem borer. If you have any question, you can ask me on this. But these, we have to stop here for today. But in order to keep us busy, we have to take an assignment. And after that, snap it, send it to me for me to mark. Number 1 assignment, name 10 insect pests you know. Number 2, draw a cotton stainer. My beloved student, I am expecting a very wonderful diagram from you. Thank you and stay safe.